All right, so this video is all about how to make a bed at every single one of our Airbnb units. We do have the same linens across the board, making it super simple. So we have a dark gray sheet set, and it is just your basic standard sheet set. So we have a fitted sheet that we will put on first, and then we have two dark sheet set pillowcases that will go side by side at the top of the bed. The next thing that we have is obviously our flat sheet. We don't do anything really fancy with this. We're simply going to just bring it up over the pillows like so. And then we're going to bring up our duvet on top like so. Now at this point in the process, usually the duvets may be a little wrinkly from the dryer, and so our solution for that is this wrinkle release spray. This is a lifesaver. So with this spray, anywhere where there are extra wrinkles, a lot of wrinkles, you're going to take this spray and just give the whole duvet a good light coat of the wrinkle release spray. You can just hold that nozzle down, and then after you have sprayed the whole thing and it's slightly damp, you're going to go around and literally take both hands and you are going to pull. And what you're going to do is you're just using that spray to release all those wrinkles and to get the duvet nice and beautiful and wrinkle free. So you're going to go throughout the whole thing and you're going to continue to pull around the entire frame of the bed on all sides until you get those wrinkles out. The other thing that you want to do, even though we are putting brand new sheets and brand new duvet cover every time, there's always maybe going to be a little hair or two or a piece of lint that gets on either the sheets or on the duvet. So definitely when you're pulling and when you're putting any sheets on, if you see a hair, if you see any lint, go ahead and use the lint roller and give it a nice cleaning to make sure there is nothing, not a speck on the sheets or on the duvet. Last but not least, with every duvet cover come matching duvet pillowcase covers. So there's two in each thing. You're simply going to take the pillows, put one here, and you're going to take this second pillow here and place it like so. And that is how we make our beds for our Airbnbs.